always wanted to work in soil and soil organisms. To see all the farmers struggling with the soil and the soil health is degrading, and we need to help them to improve their soil, and because without the healthy soil they can't work.
My main motivation is to try to provide science to the farmer, because nowadays we have several challenges, several questions, and so I think we need to try to give some outcomes in order to provide some value to the farmers.
I believe that farmers and farming can be truly regenerative, and that this can be a tool or a way to improve the health of soils and in fact the health of the planet.
It's of critical importance to restore the soil health in the area, because this will not only benefit the environment but will also benefit all the local societies in the area, and also will promote the livelihood of Mediterranean rural communities in general.
I hope that we had implemented our knowledge very well, so that Tyrea doesn't have any more flash flood problems. That in Tyrea there are at least 60,000 sheep and goats, that we have abundant olive orchards that are all practicing regenerative agriculture.
I see my region with a lot of farmers that really care about their soil. I see just unified thinking in a region where soil are important and we need to take care of them.
Our dream is to be part of a transformational change in the area, a change that is going to create multiple benefits for the Lesbos Island. Benefits in terms of environment, of society and of economy.
I imagine like green, no, with more trees, with more cover in the soil, a lot of different crops, and more restored natural areas in our place, more population, more kids in the village, more farmers, and yeah, healthy soil.
We all know that farmers are the key for producing food, and they want to try new things and are quite keen to change their practice. Often they are a bit bounded by the cooperative or the politics, and I think the living labs can give them a bit of freedom to try things and try to implement new practices.
Working with living labs is very helpful, and it's very, I think it's eye-opening, especially for people who are not directly involved with science, so not for research, to see how a farmer is farming his olives in Spain, and what is he doing, what type of irrigation is he using, to see it like firsthand, to touch the soil. And
the main idea is to try to understand at the local level the needs, the barrier and the challenge that we face, and then to try to upskill in order to help a region, complete environments, not a local scale.
GOV4ALL is a big picture of our cooperative, because there were 150 members, like here, and we all discuss and find solutions of our problems. So I found GOV4ALL very useful for us, and it helped us to take a step forward.
The Living Lab is truly this collaborative process where each actor can bring the best of itself to the common process. So it's like bringing the individual capacities to achieve a common goal.